What is your name?
Malimat.
Mike. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, look at Lily, Tom, Billy, and Tim. How does Lily feel? She is? She is?
Happy.
She is happy. How does Tom feel? He is?
Tom.
He is? Happy or sad? Say? Sad.
Sam.
Okay, is Billy hungry? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes, he is. All right. Is Tim great? Yes or no? You say?
Yeah.
You say? No. All right. Now, how are you today or how do you feel?
I'm happy.
I feel happy. Okay, let's proceed now for this one. All right. There are many shapes, and where is the circle? Can you point out the circle? Oh, good job. Now, how many circles do you see? How many? One or two?
2.
Okay, let's proceed for this one. What shape is it? It's a...
It's also square.
So find me a yellow square. Yellow square. Okay, good job. Now, what is this? It's a...
It's a triangle.
Are there three triangles there?
No.
No. All right. Is it a purple rectangle?
Yeah.
Okay, let's proceed for this one. What letter is it? Letter?
Letter N.
Sounds?
No.
Okay, so now, kindly point out where is your nose? Nose.
No.
Where's your nose? Nose. Where's your nose? Okay,
No.
good job. Now, find me one word only, mine, that starts with letter O. O?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, what is this? It's a...
It's a nut.
Okay, so the orange starts with letter C or letter O.
O.
Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye.
Body jaw.